Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be working on my Mercedes GLK 350. I'm going to reset your service light within the instrument cluster. You do not need your Duramatic tool or any type of scan tool to reset that Service Now light. Before we get started, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to give me that thumbs up to help with the YouTube algorithm, and we'll get started here in just a moment. Alright, so the light that we're trying to reset, I'm going to show you right here. You put the key in, turn it all the way over to the run position. That's the notification. We're trying to get it reset. Again, you don't need a Duramatic tool or even a scan tool. You can actually do this by hand. So I'll show you how to do it here in just a moment. So now you're going to get your key, put it into the ignition, get it into the accessory mode, not run. So the run is going to be with all the lights illuminated. The accessory is one click to the left. The two keys we're going to be hitting is going to be the phone and then of course the OK. Push the phone first. Watch the dashboard. Okay, that's what we want. Now you're going to use your keys right here to help navigate. I'm going to go down to the Exist Plus, push it, full service. You can go up and down like this. The OK button is going to serve as an enter key, so hit full service, and press OK. Service 1, 3, whatever it is, and I'm going to do full service because I've already done the full service on mine. Service carried out, yes. Confirm. Perfect. Now I'm going to take my key back out, put it back into the run position, not the accessory, and no more light. Ready to rock and roll. I am going to wrap up this video. If you like it, again, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to give me that thumbs up to help with the YouTube algorithm, and leave your questions or comments below for the group. Thank you.